Hi buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Motorola Razr. Maybe you get a lot of spam calls or you have one specific person that you want to block because they annoy you or whatever else it is. For that you need to go to your phone button there, click on these three little dots, go to your settings and then go to blocked numbers. Here you have the option to enable or disable the unknown, so block calls from unidentified callers. So that just means that unidentified callers cannot reach you. So spam numbers, for example. But you can also add a number. Then you can put in the number of the person that you want to block and then say block. The number then will probably be listed here, and then you also have the option to unblock them again. But when they're blocked, then you won't receive any calls or texts from blocked numbers, as it says here. That includes the one that you've added as well as the unidentified callers. Then you can just go back and use your phone as normal, and probably won't get bothered by any spam callers or people that you don't like. So that's how you block numbers on your Motorola Razr. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.